Hello students, today we will discuss the IPSC nomenclature for alkenes. That means the compound which contains alkene, they must have C double bond C, and during IPSC nomenclature their suffix ends with ENE. Okay, and during naming they always try to get the lowest possible number. For example, look at the first question. Here we have to numbering it from right side as 1, 2, 3. Because from here it possesses the lowest possible number. So its IPS name will be, there are 3 carbon atoms and there is a double bond at one position. So its IPS name will be Pro 1 ENA. Because double bond is present at one position, so Pro 1 ENA. Or we can write it as 1 propene or propene. Okay, then come to the second question. Here double bond is present at second position, so we have to numbering it as 1 2 3 4, and from right side as 1 2 3 4. So from both sides we possess the second position which is the lowest. So the surface name will be but 2 ENE, or we can write it as 2 butene. Okay, then come to the third question. Here bromine is the bromo substrate, this carbon, this parent carbon chain. So from right side the alkene possesses the lowest possible number, so we have to numbering it from here as 1 2 3 4. Okay, bromo substance present at 3 position, so uh, we'll write it first as 3 bromo, as there are 4 carbon atoms and double bond is present at one position, so we'll write it as but 1 ENE. Okay, or we can also write it as 3 bromo butane, 3 bromo butane. Okay, then come to the fourth question. Here we have to numbering it from left side as 1 2 3 4, and from right side as 1 2 3 4. From left side we add their positions, so left side 2 plus 3 is 5, and from right side 2, it also occupy the 2 positions, so 2 plus 2 is equal 4. So between 5 and 4, 4 is the lowest sum, so we'll take this, so we'll numbering it from right side as 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this IPS name will be 2 methyl, as there are 4 carbon atoms, then write it as but, and you can see the double bond is present at 2 positions, so we'll write it as but 2E and E. Okay, What will be the answer of this fifth number question? Write in the comment.